How to stop automatic app downloads from the App Store on your iPhone 8 Plus. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone 8 Plus. Scroll down and tap App Store. Under the Automatic Downloads section, you'll see the App Downloads option. If the switch next to App Downloads is turned on, tap it once to turn it off. Once disabled, apps you download on your other Apple devices using the same Apple ID will no longer be installed automatically on your iPhone 8 Plus. If you also want to stop automatic app updates, tap the App Updates toggle to turn it off. This means you'll need to update your apps manually through the App Store whenever a new version is available. You can also turn off in-app content if you don't want apps to automatically download additional content in the background. If you're using mobile data and want to prevent App Store downloads over your cellular connection, tap App Downloads under Cellular Data and choose Always Ask or Always Allow, depending on your preference. Your changes will be saved automatically. And that's it. You've successfully stopped automatic app downloads on your iPhone 8 Plus. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and follow for more iPhone tips, tutorials, and the latest tech updates. Thanks for watching.